Greetings, fellow heroes. Here's how you recruit units in Heroes of Might and Magic Olden era. If you're watching this, then you probably didn't play the 45-minute tutorial side missions. Anyway, here's how you do it. To recruit units, just go to any of the cities you own on the right hand panel. And on the same panel, you'll see this person icon with the plus sign. Just click it to open the recruitment window. Find your desired units, select the amount to recruit, and press on the button with the gold price to recruit them. If you want a quicker but less precise method, you can return to the city view window, and on the bottom panel, to its right is a section of units with a recruit all button at the top. Select this if you want to recruit all available units. Note that if you recruit units without a hero, they'll stay as garrison for that town where you recruited them. If you've got a hero, make sure your hero and his units are at the bottom row of the city's units panel if you want to pull them out of the town, since the top row is for the garrison troops. Now if you notice that you can't recruit some of the units since their recruit button is not there, you need to build their corresponding buildings first. For example, in the Temple faction, you'll need a Hippodrome to recruit cavalry units, a Griffin Rookery to train griffins, and so on. Recruitment buildings may differ and vary per faction, so make sure to read their descriptions. But usually it's these 4 columns of buildings before the Mage Guild that cover the recruitment for most factions. Recruitment can also be done on certain buildings on the map. Make sure to keep an eye out for them. Like this Mercenary Guild for example, which allows a hero to recruit 3 random units every week. Just hover your mouse over a building to read their description. And that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick game guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.